What's up, guys? This is Trader back with another live trading session. We're about to get it in today. Let's see. So it look like we have two tickers that have been moving throughout the morning. RHE, which was a mover from Friday, and then AIH was another one. AIH is making some big moves down. I had drawn a trend line earlier, but it looks like it's gonna be failing that trend line. All right, so I guess the new trend would be right here. It's gonna have to beat that trend right there. And then RHE did it's trying to hold up this little level here. If it can hold it up, it may be an entry point, but I don't know. It's been going up and down, but I will be looking for a quick entry, maybe even below the VWAP. So we'll see. All right, there it is getting up. Nice, nice. It's gonna have to give a pullback over VWAP now. Have about 3 minutes to the bell. Both of these stocks have about a million shares, or a little bit over a million shares traded. So we're gonna have to see what they want to do on the open. But because it made that big move up right there, I'm gonna have to see a pullback above VWAP to take any trades on it. Two minutes left to the bell. On the daily chart, Friday it went up to the 1016, which I would say is the resistance level up here. 1016. Then beyond that, it's up to 16 bucks. I don't think it's gonna have enough juice to get 16 bucks, but we will see. It's 1 million in the float, so it definitely has the potential, but it's got to give a pullback above VWAP now. It's too extended on the open, so we're gonna wait and we're gonna be patient. One minute left. If it can test this low again of the 884 and pull back above it, I will definitely be looking for an entry there. If it can test this 84 here. Thirty seconds. Go ahead and do my test at the $20 level. 10 seconds left. Okay, market is open. I'm gonna go ahead and do my little test run up here. Nice. Okay, cancel that. It's got to give us a pullback. Big move, but that doesn't mean anything. This is the first move of the day on Monday morning. What is this? BINO or VINO? Have news or something? No news, just up. All right. So we'll keep our eye on RHE. Like I said, it was going to have to give a pullback above VWAP, and it does not look like it can give us that without failing too much. We're waiting on the pullback here. Looks like it wants to continue going, but we want to see a retest of this bottom. Way up there. Nice. See, what's the top up here? Okay, it's right at the top at that 10.05 level. We expect to see some pullback. Looks like it went into a halt up there. Okay, Bino is going to have to get some more volume. All right, well, we have one halted stock, RHE. Did not give us a proper pullback above VWAP. This is why we didn't take any entry on it. This one is up, what, 30 cents? Let's see, 506 all the way up. Will it give us a proper pullback? And can it get any more volume? That's the other question. News, it had an 8K, so something dealing with an investor. Alright. Nice little pullback here. Vino, not looking good right there. Went below VWAP to the 505. VWAP was at the 4. Is that right? Okay, 516. Well, we'll be watching RHE come out of this halt. That's the biggest mover on the day. We'll see if it can give us a quick pullback and then maybe even a lunch up. All right, let's go see what time RHE is going to be opening. Trade halts. 9:31.34 was the open for that one. I mean the halt for that one, and it is a volatility halt, 9:31.34. So we expect it to open up at 9:36.34. 9:36.34. But it's very volatile. Went from the $8 all the way up to the 10, so a $2 move on that one. All right, so let's get ready to do this. RHE, looking for the 3634. 3634 on this one. I'm willing to risk 10 bucks on this trade. All right. 10 seconds. How big is the pullback gonna be? Okay. Nice. Entered right there. Looking for a bit of continuation upward. I'm already in with 25 shares for a bounce off VWAP. Okay, going on up there. If it wants to stop me out, it can. $10 level. Looking for a break over the high of the 31. Stop me out right there. Okay, next entry 1032. 1032. Looking for the 1032s to go. 1032 to come into play. Back over the 10s, I'm looking. Big red bars. Looking for back over the 10. Add it right there. Looking for it to push up some. May continue downward. Okay, little push. Come on. Added some more right there. Looking for the push out here. Has not started calculating me in yet. Looking for the break over the 25, 30s. In 50 shares. Can we get the push? There's a push. Can we get the push through the 50s? 50s right there. Looking like it's getting a little weak. Can we get the push through the 50s? 55, 70s. Okay, nice. Following it by 40 cents right here. Nice, nice. It's like it went into another halt. No, it didn't. Looking for it to get through that 11. Push up there. Can it hold? Alright, we'll just leave our stops in there for 50 cents. It has not started calculating me in just yet, so we'll see. Let me see my balance. I'm up $52. Nice. We'll see how it opens and if it wants to attack higher. If it breaks down, oh well. Just take the profit it gives me and be done. PRPO. It's looking like It's moving kind of slow there. Don't know what it wants to do. RHE halted at the 4012 level. I mean, not 4012 level. The time is 4012, I believe. Yeah, time is 4012, so it'll be opening up at 4512. Should be 4512. PRPO still looking weak around VWAP, not really giving us the moves that we would like to see. Let's see if it can open up and go higher here. That'll be nice. Up $1.14. So either way it goes, it's a winning trade from the 1008 up to the 1083. So 80 cents anyway. But we'll see what it wants to do on open. Should be opening up in 4012, so 4512 is what we're watching for. 4512. 4512. Can we get it? Forties. Got just a couple of seconds left. All right, 12 seconds left. We're just gonna watch and let it play out. See if it can hold up that 11. Okay, there it is. Big pump up. Even bigger pump up. Nice. Okay, nice, nice. Following it. Getting on up there. Back into a halt. So on my realized my balances, I made 108 bucks today. Nice, nice. See if it can hold up that 12. Just following it by 40 cents. That's it. Spent 5 minutes. Guess how much I'm up? $108. Nice. But right now it's halted, so I'm gonna see if we can go any higher. I'm selling. I'm probably gonna be done for the day. If you make $100 very quick, like wow, listen. Did you drop this or something? How did they do they send out a schedule or something? Hmm. Yeah. All right. So we're in. Let me get back to. I had walked away for a minute. Hold up. All right. So let's get it. We're in right now. I don't know if is anybody in here watching? Yeah, there's one person on YouTube, I believe. I don't know why I'm not seeing you on my other screen. Let me reestablish. Okay, maybe not. Okay. Anyway, what time is this thing supposed to open up? This thing is supposed to be opening up at 9:45:38. What? Wait a minute, what? That doesn't make any sense. How did it do that? Let me refresh this page. 9:45:38 is the time that it halted. So it should be opening up at the 10:50 or 9:50:38. 9:50:38 is the open time. 9:50:38. See if we can go any higher. Right now, I believe if I cut it now, it'd be up about $90, but I don't know. We'll have to wait for another entry though. If we're going to enter this again, definitely be with a smaller share size. So yeah, right now I'm sitting at the 11.92 for a trailing stop. So it's be opening up on the 38 here. Let's see what kind of action it wants to give. Should be opening up any second. Okay. Got another pop up or no? Okay, nice, nice. Still in there. Are we gonna get a pop down? Okay, got out right there. Nice little gainer on the day. 175 bucks right there. Looking for the pop down for re-entry. I'll let it consolidate a bit here. It's had a nice little morning here. 175 bucks in the profit right there. Okay, big rip down on that. Okay, so yeah, this is my first trade. I got stopped out on 17 cents, and then I made $3.71 on the upside. So nice gainers. AMS looking kind of slow. SSY piled up there, but it just is not moving as big, you know, not moving as big as all at all. But we'll be watching, we'll be waiting for more entries. We will be watching and waiting. PRPO looking kind of bad there. PRPO under VWAP. AMS going down. What was the news on that one? No news. SSY. No news. So I don't really see anything else. I'm gonna go ahead and research these other ones that I haven't researched yet. So AMS. Let's see what AMS has to offer. Okay. AMS has no shelf registrations. AMS has a float of 3.74, 3.41 on the other one. 3.41. I think that was 3.41. Let me go look real quick. Yeah, 441 and 74 million in the float. And we'll wait to see what that one can do. RH is still halted to the downside. PRPO. PRPO. Okay. Looks like the float on PRPO is 17.93 million. 17.03, so around 17 million is where we're looking at on that one. 17 mil. PRPO. No shelf registrations. Okay. AMS is back up there, popping back up there. It's gonna have to do a pullback above VWAP and get some more volume. Who is that tuning in? I see somebody in here now. Praise the Lord. Somebody has joined me. Wow. I am currently up $175 on the day, and I traded RHE RHE and got this big pop up here. So 175 bucks. Nice. And here are my realized gains and losses. My first trade on it was a losing trade, lost 17 cents on it. And then the next trade that I had, I got $3 per share, $3.50 per share, pretty much. So those are my trades so far. I am looking for more entries, but of course it is fading down now. We'll have to see how far it fades down, and will it hold VWAP. PROP is under VWAP. AMS is under, or it's over VWAP, but the volume's got to come on and get a little bit more liquid. All right, we'll let it consolidate down here, and then we'll see if we can take some off of it. But right now, I'm not interested. I want to see it go down and test that VWAP, 1094. $10.94-ish level. Looking quite. Oh, there's a little pop. Still not interested. So it's got a resistance right there at the $12. $12 resistance right there. Oh boy. It's got a low. Last low made was right at the $11. So I put that as a, so wow. Can it pull back above that? It's a dead cat bounce coming right here. Let's see how far it goes up. 1104. What was the top of that? The high was 1117. It is failing VWAP, so it will have to come back and get VWAP for me to be looking for more trades on it. Right now, the resistance level is the $12 level, pretty much. This is where I actually got in, down right here. Got in right here with 50 shares and took the ride up all the way to the top on RHE. All right, looking like it's trying to hold up that VWAP a little bit. PROP did fade off. AMS, what is wrong with this thing? Why is it just popping like that? Gave a little bit of a pullback, went from the $2.90 up to the $3. Now looking like it wants to fade. Let's see if it breaks down this 286 level. It's just not looking good right now. I'll continue watching RHE for right now. I want to see this one hold up the 1127, pretty much the 1125 area. Then I'll be looking for another entry. Needs to hold that up. So resistance at the 25 level. Let's see, get through that and then hold in this range a little bit. Okay, just trying to get up. Don't want to buy it yet. Want to see a hold at 1125. Right now the VWAP is at 1099. Sometimes you have to refresh. If you're using Charles Schwab, sometimes you have to refresh these EMAs, moving averages, because sometimes they fall behind with stocks that are moving really, really big. You just have to refresh them. That's why I always keep my buttons up here. Now you can always put these buttons away by going into the settings and having no buttons up here, but since I know they need to be refreshed sometimes, I keep them out so I can just click them, and that's all you got to do to refresh them. Alright, so now let's see if we can hold this 25 level. Want to see it hold the 25 level, looking for another entry here. Can we hold? I want to see a red bar above this 25 level. 35s. It may go ahead and push and it'll just go without me, but I want to see a red bar over this 25 level. '50s. Yep, looking like it wants to go without me. It's okay. It is all right. Let's see where this thing pulls back to. Okay, are we going to get a red here? How much of a red? Very quick little bump out right there to the 70s. A lot of selling pressure coming in there. Got punched through. We see the green ramp here. Can it continue the green ramp, or will this go red? This little bar right here. Can it hold above this level? That's where we wanted to see it hold. Top side of this is the 1169 there, and that's where I want to be entering if it can come back and hold this level. 1169. Okay, getting on up there. I'm getting ready to do my entry here if it can shoot past. So I'm looking for the 71. It's got to hold up that support though. Looking for the 71 break. I think I may size down as well since I've already pretty much got some profit for today. Might go ahead and size down as well. So let me go over here. Okay, 75. Looking for that 71. Add it right there. Looking for the continuation push. If not, I'll exit all. Looking for it. Can we get the 70s? Looking for it. It's holding up. If it breaks the 50s, I gotta be out. It breaks that 1150. Okay, getting a little bit. Can we get just a little bit of push up? That's all I need to see. Go ahead and exit there. I don't like it. Very small share size. Of course, I already have my profit in pocket, so I'm not risking much. Right now, profit is sitting at $174. I lost $1 right there, so that's okay. Let's see if we can try it again. 65s, looking for the break of the 70, 71. There we go. Oh, come on, retest. Come on. Oh gosh, missed it. Cancel it. 90s. I would get in here, but it's just too late. Okay, so this top is the $12 here. Let's see if we can do a $12 break. Looks kind of weak. I don't like this setup. It's tried to go up 2 times already. 1, 2. So let's see if we can hold up this level of the 1125. Will this become a range for it? We'll look for another entry above the into the 90s. see if we can get a 90 break. 91, 92 area. See, this is why we wait. Let's see, will it pull back into this range? Okay, it's holding up again. So definite entry point is now the 1187. Unless it breaks VWAP right here. Will it break VWAP? Okay, did not break VWAP just yet, but it did break out of our range here. So this may be a dead cat bounce. Let me go and look at PR. Looking like it wants to go party. We're going to wait for a pullback on this one. This one broke the VWAP a good bit, so we'll wait for a pullback on that one. AMS, giving that dead cat bounce. If it is a dead cat bounce, it will fail after this one, the minute after this bounce. Or it may just go red on this candle and not be a dead cat bounce. It may just break VWAP. We will see. Okay, PROP is getting plenty of volume. The average volume year to date, in a whole year, it only traded 700, pretty much 700,000. So it's definitely way above that. It's into the millions, so that's nice. And it's looking fluid. It's looking like it may be a grinder. Can it hold up VWAP? The top side is a 240. It continues to break VWAP. I don't like that. AMS also still grinding. Okay. Nice, nice. 1190s. Looking for that 91, 95 push. 91. Looking a little heavy there. Can we get the 91 break? It's going away from the 90s. Okay. Ugh. I do not like that. Could easily be bad. Back up to the 12. Got pushed down right there hard. Hard rejection off the 12. See, I can't do that. PL. AMS. Continue to fell off. Okay. Can it give us a pullback above VWAP? So that I would be looking for on that one. Don't really care that it's pushing out a little bit. That's nothing. Looking like RHE, looking heavy right there. Did get up there and fail that attempted break again. We'll see if it can get up there and challenge it again, I guess. All right. PL, AG. Everything's kind of slowing down now. Okay, 1170, that's another failed break there. It's another failed break. I'm going to try this thing. If it can, I don't want to see a break here. Even if it breaks here, I'm not going to be in it. I want to see it hold up this level one more time. So it has a little bit of support right there at the 1150s. Looking like it wants to get on through there. 1150 support. I want to see it hold that support one last time. Hold above VWAP one last time. Will it break the 80s? Ooh, nice. Nice little moves there. Was a failure again. Look like it wants to go. Whoo! Big bump out. Immediate sell-off. Don't really like that move. Back under the 12. Let's see if it can pull back and give us an entry here above VWAP. Okay, nice. It held up that level. It's trying to hold up that level. VWAP is at the 1118, 1124 every area. That was a big pullback right there after those two fakes. I'm gonna see if it can continue to consolidate here though. PROP. This one's still grinding up. Continues to crack the VWAP, which is not a good sign. AMS, don't need to see it. All right. So it did hold up this level. Let me go to my FG with stops. Trying to hold up that level. Needs to get another green on the 5 minute. Not looking good now. It just broke the level. Can it stay within this range? I don't think it can. All right, slowing down. Everything is slowing down now. Big drop on PRPO. Wow. Things are going downhill for it. Looking like it's trying to hold this range, but it's got to get going. Looking very, very heavy here. Okay. Looking like it wants to break down VWAP there. PROP continues to crack the VWAP, just not respecting it like I would like to see. It does have a little bit of a bottom down here to 218. Draw a support line down here. Would love to see a support line above the VWAP. Okay, RHE. It did hold up, trying to get back up there to the 12. I do like it. All right, let's get ready to trade this one again. See what kind of pullback it can give. Looking for the pullback here. Okay, it's nice. Looking for the pullback. Holding up the 12s. 12, 13, just not getting enough. We want to see a pullback. I mean, the buyers are coming in, but compared to this little selling bar back here, the buying is nothing. Let's see where your pullback is. Breaking that 12. Do not see a proper pullback entry. Will it break the 90s? Trying to get back. So okay, so this one's gonna be one of those types that is kind of hard to read now. It's just doing things. That's a double top right there. So this one's just gonna be doing things. We need to see a pullback. Very small breakout right there. That's gonna take a little bit of heat from it. Come on. There we go. There's a nice little pullback. Let's see where the pullback falls to. Shorts jumping on. Can it hold up this previous level that it was struggling with, to 1203? Okay. So the new high is a 1235, but it's very extended now, especially if it continues green. See, it's doing too much. Doing too much on little breakouts. Alright. Getting on up there. Yeah, it broke my strat right there. It's got to give a pullback. Can it hold up this 1202 level? Okay, it has a point right here at the 13s, which it looks like it's hitting. So we're going to see if it fails that 13 level. Definitely getting moves though. Tell me it didn't go into a halt. Okay. Give that pullback. If it falls within this range, then I'll be looking for an entry. Looking like it's going to go ahead and go into a halt. I think never gave a true pullback, so I did not get into that one. Yes, it is halted. Did not get into that one. Since it's extended, I will not be buying directly out of the halt. I'm going to let it drop a little bit. then give me some entries. All right, let's see what we got. All right, RHE. Let's go ahead and look at what time it's supposed to be coming out of this halt. RHE halted at 9. What? Let me refresh this page. What? 9:51. It's 9:23. I'm not understanding what this halt means. I don't understand. 3. Resumption time 9:56. So this is a 10-minute halt? No. Something's wrong. Something is definitely wrong here. This thing halted time 10:20 to 10:25. I don't know exactly what second though. It's all good. I'm just gonna be ready for it. I'm gonna continue watching it. Welcome whoever just joined the stream. Welcome. Trading RHE. I am currently up $174 on it, and yeah, waiting for this open. I don't know when it looks weird on the trade halt. It's not showing the times for it on trade halt website that I use, but oh well. We're just gonna sit here and be ready. Because of this extension, I'm not buying out of the open, out of the when it comes out of the halt, because of this extension, because it can fall all the way back down here to the VWAP. So I'm not going to play with it. There it is coming out. Let's see the big move down. Can we get that big move down? Let's see. Give us the big move down, buddy. Okay. There's the big move down. Can we get some more? Nice. It did stay within this range, which is a good sign. I may go ahead and enter. Let's see. What's the top of this? High is the 1370. Let's see how much downward motion it's going to give us. Big topping tail there. Can it hold up to 12? Nice. Looking like it can. Looks good. Yeah. Looks good, but it has this big topping tail right beside it, which will definitely take some of the wind out of it. That's two topping tails it's following. I'm not too sure about those. I need to see some red here. It has not given a proper pullback. Even if it goes, it'll just be going without me. Woo! Look at that. Oh boy, FOMO. FOMO, FOMO. Chill. Pull back. We need to see the pullback here. It already halted down one time today, so definitely be careful with this one. Another top and tail there. Looking quite dangerous. I want to see a pullback first. Wow, this thing is strong. Let's see a pullback. Can we get it? Nope. It's just gonna go. Come on, give us a pullback. Just one pullback, buddy. 80s. Keeps on challenging. Alright, somebody's gonna have to take profit up here. It's taking too long. Wow, okay. So this pullback may be quite large. I'm just gonna have to sit and wait on my setup. I can't risk the money that I've already made. Wow. All right. This thing is crazy. Has not yet given a pullback. Oh my goodness. It looks like it wants to go. Please pull back. Please pull back. Yes, yes. How far can you pull back? Pull back some more. Go all the way to the 9. Come on. If it can close this candle red, that may be a nice sign. But the thing is, even if it closes this candle red, you have to count all of this as extension. So this is a very extended move with crazy wicks. Trying to hold up the 14. Bro, they gotta take profit at some time. They're just pushing it. Definitely not buying all the way up here. Now it's super extended here, so it has a range. Let's see, the top side is a 1432 right there. We gotta wait for a pullback. All right, getting a little bit of a pullback. We're gonna see some consolidation here, hopefully above this level of the 297, which was the last stop spot. I started sizing down because I mean, what's the point of risking what I have here? I made $175 back on the open on this, so why risk it? So I sized down. I made $3.50 per share. Lost a little bit a couple of times on these, so I'm not risking a lot. I already made my profit for today. Just looking for a big red candle. I know it's coming. Not really liking what I'm seeing. It's taking too long. The buyers or the long positions have to be getting nervous here. It's got room all the way back down to the 1297 to drop. Are you serious? This thing still wants to go? Come on, bro. But it does have 1 million in the float, so it's very easy to manipulate by big companies. Very easy to manipulate. There we go. Come on, drop through the floor. You're over VWAP. Please just drop through the floor. That's all I want to see. Come on, break that bottom. The bottom of this last red candle was the 1360s. We want to see it hold up. This 1297 was the last level that was really giving it problems. Okay, still don't want to buy it yet. May give us a little bit of a fake out right at that $14 level, like it did back here. Gave a big fake out right here, went down and then blew through it. So we're gonna let it do this dead cat bounce. $14.31. Whew, this thing is, oh my gosh, this thing is a monster. I hate this stock. Actually, I love it and I hate it. It paid me, so. Oh. Alright, so here's another pullback. Now this one is above this last previous pullback. 1361. We want to see it hold up. So we have a little bit of a support down here. Ooh, do I want to buy the top? It just seems like there's so much falling room there. Went up there and tapped the top. It doesn't look too confident up there. Needs to hold, consolidate above this level. 1361. Come on, consolidate above that level. And like it's about to get quite hairy if it breaks this bottom of the 1381. Let's put that as a support. Very extended on the 5-minute. Look at this. From the 1140 all the way up to the 14. That's a $3 move. There's no way. The only thing you can do in here is scalp. Let's see if it can hold up that 14. It's looking like the spot to beat. Lordy, lordy. This is what true stock manipulation looks like. Literally, people just getting all their sell positions, the shorts just getting all their sell positions, and then you're going to see an explosion down. Oh my gosh. Do I want to buy this? I'm going to be patient. Okay, there it is. There's the one break. Let's see if it can break this next level. Looking for the breakdown here. Can we get it? Love to see it break this level of the 1358. After this double top, that would be nice. So we can get some quick little scalps in here and play the backside of the move. Come on, break it. Okay, breaking down. There's does not look like it wants to go down there. So I guess the shorts are still getting their position. because it definitely has a top up here, which I doubt they're gonna let it get through that 1450. Plus the volume is starting to seep away as well. We're starting to see the volume kind of slip on it. All right, so where's the top of this? The high is the 32 here. I was gonna say I would have taken at the if that was a dead cat bounce, I would have taken at the top right there and just a quick scalp up to the top of this, which is the 50. So from the 35 to the 50. Okay. All right, looking at that 35, if it can get up there. Ooh, wrong way. Wrong way. So it is bouncing off of this level here. Now I'm nervous. If you take it to 35, it could easily get rejected so much, and I could definitely damage my profit for the day. Okay. It's definitely consolidating. Come on. I'm just scared to take this one, man. It's just got me scared. Because at first, this is where I got in on the first trade, back here, right in here, 1039, and took the ride all the way up. And then on this second one, it never gave a true pullback. It was just pushing up, so I didn't get an entry there. Because I usually don't trade when it's just extending. It's too late. Okay, so it looks like it wants to go and test those highs. I'm gonna let this 5-minute candle close up. I want to make sure it's gonna be a 5-minute red candle here. It's just looking a little bit too strong. The high is a 1420. So let's see what we got. 1420. Got about 20 minutes left on the stream as well. A little bit down there. That 1433. Can we get up there? And then this is a red candle, so we got to be kind of careful. So yeah, I don't know about this one. Kind of scared right here. I feel like if it breaks that 14 completely, it's going to be a bad move down. Or a big move down. Snapping through the 14, not really respecting it. See if it can get going down. 13.95 I just saw. I just really don't like this one anymore, to be honest. I feel like I'm just would be forcing a trade here. Let's go look at PRPO. I'm just not into that one anymore. PRPO failing. AMS failed. Okay, well, just not seeing what I need to see today from this stock anymore. There's the move down. Yes, that's what we wanted to see. That's the move down. Okay, now we started the backside of the move. Let's go ahead and cancel these supports. Nice. Let's see how far down you can go. Can you bounce off of this previous $12, $13 level? We want to see a bounce off of that for a quick scalp off the 13. Right at the 1350 right now. I would like to see it get a little bit more extended to the downside to buy in. Let's see. do like it though. Come on, 60s needs to fail the 60s here. This may be a dead cat bounce, so this could be a short setup. So let's see where the high is here. 381. 381. Okay. So we got the 381 up there. High of the 95. Not looking good right there. On the 5-minute, it is getting quite a pullback up. Let's see, 425 is the top of that 5-minute. 425 may become resistance here. 425. I want to see it get up and hold that 425 level. Can we hold that 1425? Right now it's having a time just staying over 14. 1425, 20s. Holy Jesus. Alright, that one might snap down. That's too far, too quick. They're going to sell that off real quick. Holy, oh my God. Okay. This one is not playing anymore. We got to see a pullback. That's just too much. Too much right there. I did not expect that blowout. That's almost $1 up. Let's see. Let's see. Any kind of pullback further than that would be nice. Come on. Give us a little bit more pullback there. 91. Okay, there is a pullback. All right. Big pullback right there. I knew it went up too quick right there. So bottom of this is the 1330s where we wanted to see it bounce anyway. Or did it just pass it? Oh, it just passed it. Never mind. All right. So we're going to definitely not buy right here. Could easily go ahead and dive through that VWAP. But it did bounce off of this level, so we're going to see the dead cat bounce and maybe a little bit of movement back up to the 9. Let's see if we can get the dead cat bounce to give us a new entry. 1337. High 13. And it can probably go up to the 9 right there, so that's why I'll be selling. High 1345 is where we'll be looking, waiting for this candle to close. So the 50 break, 51 is where I'm looking. Oh boy. Maybe I don't look up there. Maybe because I know I'm playing against the clock right here. It's a high chance I'll lose. It'll close this candle and then it'll just zoom down even more. So it's high probability, and it's already back up to the 50. It tested the 50 and failed again. So not a good buy spot, I don't think, for me, because it's easy to get snatched down on. The bottom of this is the 1309. So it has room up to the 9 though. But there's like not a huge chance that it'll get up there, because if you look at this last red bar, look how much bigger it is than these two green bars. Like the buying is super weak right there. So at this point we have 30 seconds left. I would like to see it break that 50, but the chances, man, the chances that it does it. Looking for that 51 break. It could be a snap down. Yep, did exactly what I said. So it is becoming, it may actually break this on this candle. 311. So I am looking at the top of the 1350 here. 1350s. Add it right there. Looking for a little bit more. I will get out. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. No, that ain't going. It was up. I was looking. It rejected very quickly off of that. Looking for the 56, 59, 61 now. Just did not give me the move that I wanted right there. 61. Okay. Trying to go down twice now. What do you want to do? Okay, so we have a top side of the 50s, 56, looking for the 60 break. 44s, 55. I'll be looking for the 55 here. 45, 47. Looking for the 55. Tap the 50s. Looking for the 55. It's got to break the 50. Okay. It's looking for the 55. It did not give it to us. 1355 still on my radar. 43. Okay. Can we get that 50 break? 55. 45, 46. Seeing 43s. 46. Not seeing any 50s roll through. 46. Oh my gosh. That was a pop. Alright, well, that was a little bit too quick. Let's see. A little bit too quick. Well, hotkeys can only be so quick. My fingers can only move so fast. So, did not follow my rules. I thought it was just going to ease up there, but it did not. Getting up there to the 90s, 95. Oh my gosh. All right. Calm myself. Giving some snap downs. Oh my gosh, it's touching 14, getting rejected there. Hopefully it gives a pullback. Yeah, I'll just wait on a pullback. I'm not even gonna play with it. I'll wait for the pullback. All right, here comes the pullback. I hate this stock. Oh my gosh. I hate this stock. Oh man, that would have paid well. All right, it's I got 10 minutes left on the stream, and I'm gonna cut it. We'll go over my trades and everything real quick, and then I'll cut it. But waiting for this pullback. If it can give it to us, that would be nice. Man, that was a good trade. I was looking at the 1350 and just got hesitant. My finger was on the hotkey, just did not press when I saw it bounce up to the 70s that quick. Okay, can we get a pullback here? Please give me a pullback. Please just don't go. On the 5 minute, looks like it has a little bit of a resistance level here at the 1440s. Just a little bit right through here, because it's tested it 1, 2, 3, 4 times and failed every time. All right. 14s. All right, so on this one, I'll be willing to risk 10 bucks on it. If this is a backside move, 10 bucks is all I'll give up. So I'll be down to the 63 after this one. If it can give a pullback, oh boy. So the 40s is really where the resistance is right now. So I'll be looking for it to stay within this range if possible. Unless it gives a super big move to the downside, that'll be kind of bad. It does not need to break this 1285, 1272 level right here. It needs to stay within this range. Right. So it is breaking down. It needs to stay within this candle for another entry. Okay. Then like it's trying to hold up here. All right, so let's try that $14 break. We can do it, that'll be nice. It has been making big moves on the whole dollar breaks, or it may just break down here. Okay, going down. Where's VWAP right now? 1260. Not really moving that much. I may just follow my rules because we got 5 minutes left and I've already made my money for the day. I really don't feel like continuing to risk this. So let's just go over the trades and I'm gonna be wise and walk away with the profit that I do have. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm done. I don't care what it does. I'm done trading as of this point. Let's look at my realized gains and losses. Here are my trades. I got stopped out a couple of times on RHE. But the two biggest trades, I took 50 shares and I took a profit of $3.71 per share and then $3.48 per share there. Let's go to my transactions. And here are my buys. I did 1, 2, 3, 4 buys on it today. And yeah, that's it. So these are the amounts that I spent. And yeah, today was a pretty nice day, but I'm definitely done risking. Right now, my balance is up $173. So that pretty much made all my losses back. I was down, I don't know what I started the day off with, like 2,000 something, but now I'm back above the 3,000 mark and we'll be building higher. But I am going to follow my rules and walk away right now with the green day. If you're going to continue trading, please be careful. The volume is getting lower and lower on these stocks. Maybe until the afternoon power hour, but definitely right now not looking like it wants to do a lot of payout for longs. But yeah, that's it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you have not already. And as always, you can check out my Twitch streams or my YouTube. I'm streaming on Twitch and YouTube. Twitch does have a little bit more of a live feed. YouTube has about a 30-second delay. But yeah, that is it. And as always, I will see you all in the next one. Peace.